Get in that trapper. Get in the dropout. Come on, William. Oh, whoops. Hey, welcome to Tech Tuesday, where it's springtime. I've been trying to force this wheel into this bike. It shouldn't be this hard. That means have a deeper look inside. When you're trying to force something, something isn't right. I'm gonna take this off so we can have a better look. And here we have the issue, right there. What should be happening in this normal open dropout frame and a common quick release wheel is the little springs hold the skewer centered. That's their only job, just like this. But if we look at this one here, this spring is the other way around. So this mechanic went heads, this one went tails. Turns out it was heads. What's happening is this dropout is designed for the 10mm axle. It goes in nicely. It kind of looks like the open end of that spring, oh, it just nestles in so nice there, right? But that actually jams and prevents me from going in. So this is a conical spring that tapers. That tapered end goes just like that. Goes toward the center. Conical springs point to the middle. That's kind of lame. No one's going to remember that. But you know, in my time, I like a little rhyme. So give us 2 lines below on how to remember how these things go. And extra points to you if you can do it in a haiku. Get going.